I just think architecture overall, and especially here in Sarajevo, is losing the connection with real people. And architecture is moving away from human scale, especially exemplified in Austro-Hungarian architecture, where there's details, there's a scale that is relative to the human body, to the human experience as you walk along the streets. You don't have that same connection experience with the new modern architecture. The different firms working here, the Avaz building, the Robo building, all those new buildings, they just have no relationship with the history of this region and with the human encounter, with the human person. I wrote something when I read that the work of Roche, their writing. I wrote, a building as a created and crafted structure should protect, motivate, and challenge the passerby, bridging the gap, defining space as enjoyable, and growing with and for the generations. So in that, there's a sense that architecture has to be for the people, and not just for one person who says this is my castle, this is my kingdom, and it has to be able to change for the generations. And a big statement also is there needs to be a concrete plan, for new development, for redevelopment at the city and regional level, so that new buildings, new public works fit into that plan, that there's a conscious sense of what are we trying to achieve for the Sarajevo of the future. And then right now that is lacking in current architecture. Okay. And also, I think maybe more emphasis on adapting buildings that were damaged during the war, focusing on areas of Sarajevo that were really damaged during the war, instead of building whole new buildings, whole new areas, fix the areas that were broken, because they'll give more of a